Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I am super grateful for this vacuum right here, but I need to give it a good cleaning. I want to take good care of it so it lasts a while. We've had it since October of 2020 when we replaced our carpet. We needed to get a certain kind of vacuum, so you can see it's a little dirty. I'm going to clean it out and show you how I do that. Let's get started. First, I remove the dust cup from the handheld part of the vacuum by pushing a little release button. I can empty this out and then get to the filters so I can take them out and clean the cup. Okay, that one doesn't look that bad, but wait. Oh yeah, that's pretty gross. I should do this more often, but I'm not here to show you perfection. I do like cleaning. I love to clean actually, but not everything is perfect in my home. I do hope this inspires you to open up your vacuum though. If you haven't done this in a while, cleaning the filters regularly is good maintenance that we should all do, and it keeps everything working properly. There's a thin felt pad filter, and I rinsed that off first. That one wasn't very dirty. And then the thick foam pad filter is the one I'm rinsing now, and it takes a while. You just rinse them underwater, both of them. You just rinse underwater with no soap. Don't use any products, just water. And it takes a while to rinse everything out. Just be patient. It's satisfying to watch, but if you want to skip ahead, you can hit the bar to go to the next chapter of this video. I'm going to set these up and let them air dry. They need to air dry for more than 24 hours, and you can see I'm propping them up so they can get air on all sides. I recommend vacuuming your house before doing this deep clean. You'll need to be patient and wait for this to dry, and it's the worst feeling, wanting to run the vacuum and not being able to because it's in pieces and you can't put it back together just because everything's wet. So I like to go ahead and vacuum the whole house right before I do this deep clean.
So keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night.
Okay, and now I'm rinsing out the dust cup again with just water, but I will get my knife and microfiber out here in a minute to get into all the crevices. Okay, the dirt around and behind this seal is really hard to get. I try to pry it out because sometimes you can take that out and clean it real good and put it back in, kind of like on those Ninja Bullet blender things, but it turned out this one's glued in there good, so I just ended up cleaning around it with the knife and the microfiber. But there's still some dirt trapped under there. I wish they'd design it so you could get that really clean.
I love you.
We picked this vacuum up from Walmart in the store, and I'll link it below in the description box for you. I'll also link a similar vacuum that you can get from Amazon. And in October, when we bought this vacuum, we had bought new carpet and talked about it in a video. So I'll link that video below as well in case you want to go watch that after watching this video.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down?
Leave the bin open and put it on its side to air dry for at least 24 hours. Next, I'll look for blockages in the wands and the connection points and clean wherever I see dirt.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes.
Does this remind you of Monica on Friends when she's vacuuming the outside of her big vacuum with a little vacuum? Who else relates to Monica? I totally get her.
Do it right, hold me tight when I need it, and you always like such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself.
I used a coin to open the locks and lift off the cover to get an even better look at the brush roll. And of course you saw me using the scissors, clipping the hair off that was twisted around the roll. And then I'll wipe everywhere that I see that is dirty. And there you go. Make sure you leave everything to dry for at least 24 hours, and then I'll put everything back together. Thank you guys for watching my video today. If you're just finding me, I'm so grateful you're here, and I hope you'll check out my other videos and subscribe for a new video every Tuesday at noon, and we'll see you back here for more cleaning inspiration. Bye!